In this tutorial, we will show you how to waive or unwaive extended health and dental benefits. When an employee fills out the partial waiver section on their enrollment form or submits a change request form to update their partial waiver status, this will need to be indicated or updated on their profile. To begin, go to the Employees tab. Locate the employee whose benefits need to be updated. In this example, we will use James Abbott. Click on the drop arrow beside the eye icon and choose Edit. Or you can click on the eye icon, scroll to the bottom of the screen, and click the Edit button. Both of these actions will bring you to the Employee Edit screen. Scroll to the bottom of the screen to the Partial Waiver section. Toggle the partial waiver from No to Yes by clicking in the field. The Partial Waiver section will appear. Confirm if this is the spousal plan by toggling to No or Yes. If it is not a spousal plan, you will need to enter the details. In this example, we will say it is the spousal's plan. Click the drop arrow beside the EHC waiver. You will have 5 options. Waive for dependents only. This is used when the employee would like to have single coverage for themselves and have their dependents covered under the alternate plan only. Waive for employee and dependents, if applicable. This is used when the employee does not want EHC coverage under your group benefits plan and will only use their alternate coverage. Do not waive or coordinate. This is used when an employee has alternate coverage, but they still wish to have coverage under your group benefits plan as well. Coordinate with spousal plan. This is used to coordinate the benefits between both plans. Coordinate spouse only. This is used when there are also children on the plan, but the children are only being covered by this plan and not under the spousal plan. Select the one that applies. In this example, we will choose Waive for dependents only. Next, select the dental waiver option the employee has indicated on their form. Note, the employee is allowed to have different waiver options for health and dental. In this example, we will choose Coordinate with spousal plan. This means the employee will have single coverage for extended health and family coverage for dental. Enter the insurer of the alternate plan. For example, Green Shield or Claim Secure. You can either click the drop arrow and scroll to the name of the insurer, or start typing in the field and it should auto-display. If the insurer does not appear, choose Other and type in the name of the insurer as indicated on the employee form. Enter the group number, also known as the policy number, and ID number, also known as the certificate number. Enter the effective date. This is the date the alternate coverage came into effect, or the date of the life event that allowed the change. If you are adding a new employee, this will be their employment date. Select the checkbox confirming the employee is eligible and the information is accurate, and click Save. A banner will appear across the top of the screen, confirming the employee's information was updated successfully. To remove a partial waiver, go to the Employee Edit screen. Scroll to the bottom where the partial waiver section is, and toggle the partial waiver from Yes to No. Enter the effective date. This would be the date the alternate coverage terminated. Confirm the employee is eligible and the information is true and complete, and click Save. A banner will appear across the top of the screen confirming the employee's information was updated successfully. If you want to confirm their health and dental status, scroll to the bottom of the screen again. The EHC and dental status will show as waived, single, couple if available, or family. In this case, it's showing as family. That concludes the Waiving and Unwaiving Benefits Nomad tutorial. Thanks for watching.